Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing as much wet paint as possible. Scrape and wipe until the bristles are visibly freer. Next, choose the correct solvent, water for acrylics, mineral spirits, or turpentine for oil-based, because solvent chemistry dictates how pigments break down. Once done, secure gloves and eye protection and work outdoors or by an open window to avoid fumes. Pour a small amount of solvent into a metal or glass container and gently agitate the brush, keeping bristles aligned so you don't deform the shape. Once pre-soaked, submerge the tips and move the bristles back and forth to dislodge trapped pigment. This physical motion is as important as chemical action. After 5-15 minutes, lift and inspect. If color persists, repeat the soak and agitate cycle 3 to 5 times or until the solvent mostly clears. Use a brush comb to extract embedded particles along the ferrule. For acrylic brushes, follow with a warm soapy rinse to remove residue. For oil brushes, switch to a fresh solvent rinse to avoid redepositing pigments. After cleaning, realign and reshape the bristles with your fingers, then lay the brush flat or hang with bristles downward to dry. This prevents water from loosening the ferrule. If stubborn stains remain, apply a specialized brush cleaning paste or a diluted ammonia soak for synthetic fibers. Test a small spot first because harsh chemicals can weaken glue or dye. Make sure to avoid heat drying, and if bristles become misshapen, gently restretch and repeat a light soap rinse. If paint still resists, consider professional restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.